Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on alarm on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so if you have a very busy schedule that you can't miss them, then you need to set an alarm so you don't miss the schedule. Okay guys, so how to do that? Let's check it out. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to clock, yeah, and then you can click for it and you can go to alarm page. And over here I have a scheduled alarm, and then I will turn it on manually one by one. And then if you want to add some scheduled alarm, you can click plus, and then you can set the time. So here I wanna set on 5:30, and then here you can also make the scheduled alarm or repetition. Over here you can repeat for every day or each day only. And then if you're done, you can also choose the alarm sound, the source, or vibrate when ringing. Alright guys, so those are the scheduled alarm that I've been turned it on. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to turn on the alarm on Infinix Smart 8. And thank you so much for watching guys.